Hi, this is Nick Lapola with Red Zebra Media and Instamagic Plugins. Welcome to the All-in-One Viral Toolkit training video for creating a new timeline format fan page. This video is about 20 minutes and covers how to create a new fan page with the timeline format. It also covers how to configure your All-in-One Viral Toolkit settings for the timeline with the new 810 pixel wide format. It does not cover the details of all the new AIOVT features. The new features are covered in later videos. Before you go through this tutorial, you must have already updated the AIOVT plugin to version 1.2.0 or later, which is timeline capable. If you're not already logged into Facebook as the fan page administrator, pause this video and do so now. Once you're logged in, do not click to use Facebook as a page. Remain logged in as the administrator. To begin, log into your WordPress admin and from the dashboard, go to Instamagic and click the Fan Page Manager. If this is your first fan page using the All-in-One Viral Toolkit, or AIOVT, you will not see any other fan pages listed. All you will see is the Add New link. Click Add New to create a new fan page. Then give the fan page a name. In this case, we're doing Pure Yoga Studio. Every fan page is required to have a prefix. This is for organizational purposes. Click Add. That creates a fan page. Now click Edit. This screen is where you configure your new fan page's custom iframe content and hook it into Facebook. Before you begin hooking up a fan page, you need to create one in Facebook. To create a fan page, begin by clicking the link Facebook Create a Page. This will take you to the Facebook Create a Page selection menu. You can select different types of pages: causes, companies, local businesses. For example, if you click local business, you can enter in the place, the street address, etc. We're going to do a brand or product. I'm going to choose Health and Beauty, and then I'm going to set a name for the page. The page name is what everyone will see, so make sure you name it the way you want it. Click Agree to the Facebook Terms, and click Get Started. Next, you'll pick a profile image for your fan page. Click Upload from Computer, and then browse to the image that you want to use. Profile images need to be a minimum of 180 by 180 pixels wide. As a quick side note, in addition to all the pre-sized image templates that come with the toolkit, there's a guide with all the image sizes in the resource folder. Click the image to select it, and then click Open. The image you selected will display here. Then click Next. In this section, you can enter text that will show up in the About section of your timeline. Click Save Info. Here, Facebook will just take you through a general tour. Click Skip. Click Next. Click Next again. And then click Skip. Now you can select a cover image for your fan page. Click Add a Cover, and then click OK, and go back to Add a Cover and click Upload Photo. Again, select the photo that you want to use and click Open. Facebook gives you an opportunity to drag and reposition the photo, but since we're using an exact size, just click Save Changes. And you've just installed your first cover image. We need to get the fan page URL, so go up to the address bar and copy everything before the question mark. Make sure you get all the numbers. Then go back to the Fan Page Manager and enter it in the Fan Page URL section. Now click Template Setup. We're going to pick a color scheme. Don't choose a menu yet because one hasn't been created. Click Wide 810 Pix Format, and then choose a menu tab style. This will be used later. Next, click the Header and Background tab. Here, we can either upload an image, or we can use a default image by clicking this link. If you use a default header, enter the headline text you want to display in the header. Then, you can use the settings provided to change the color of the text, the font, the text size, and the top margin to center it in the header. With the 810 wide format, you also have an alternate default header you can use. Click the second Use Default Header link to load the optional header. It has a nice wrap feel to it. You can position the text using the top margin to place it within the top portion of the header. And you can add lines to display text in the middle portion of the header. If you're using a custom header that has text within the image itself, then you don't need to have text here, so just delete it. Then, click Browse. The WordPress Media Library will display, and then you can just open your file browser and drag an image in that you want to use as the header. Once the image uploads, all you have to do is go down and select Use as FB Header. The header will automatically display. Click the Layout Options tab. This is brand new for the timeline format. Here, you can configure widget area columns as well as footer widget areas and control their layout, borders, colors, and sizes. When you make these settings in the Fan Page Manager, they're used as a default for every page within this specific fan page. You can override these default settings on a page-by-page basis to make very unique fan page designs. I'll be covering layout options in more detail in a later video. For now, click Save Fan Page. Next, click Go to Fan Page List. There's a section above the list called Working On. When you build multiple fan pages, the pages lists and the widgets list become unmanageable. In this section, you can tell AIOVT which pages you are working on. If you're working on your main WordPress site, you can select Main Site. Or you can select a specific fan page to work on. Only the FB pages and widgets that you are working on will be displayed, making your life much easier. Click to select the fan page you're creating right now. Then click Save Update Fan Page Data. Now, let's create some content for this fan page. Go to the FB Pages selection and click FB Pages. Since you don't have any fan pages for this fan page yet, all of the fan pages show up. So click Add New to create one. First, create a home page or welcome page and enter in some content. Then scroll down the screen and you'll see a warning to make sure you select a fan page from the group. Select the fan page that you're working on. The default fan page layout options will be applied after you save the page. Click the Template Options bar and then scroll down and make sure, since this is the home page, that you select that it's the Facebook default tab page. Then publish the page. Notice the prefix has been added automatically. This prevents human error. If you click the fan page layout options, you'll see that some of the selections that we made have carried through to this page as defaults. You can override them here for this specific page. Let's add another page. Click Add New. Now we'll create an About Us page. These are just placeholders. You can fill in the content later. Once again, select the fan page that this belongs to, and then publish. And now we'll create one last page. Click Add New, and we'll put together a Contact Us page. Enter a little bit of content. Make sure you select the fan page that it belongs to. And here we're going to do something a little different. I'm going to select to show this page in the tab menu at the top and in the footer menu. And then we'll publish the page. Now go to the FB Pages list. You can see that only the pages that we're working on are listed. And if you go to the widgets, only the widgets that belong to this page are displayed. Next, under the Appearance section, select Menus. Now we'll create a new menu to tie all these pages together. Click the plus icon. For the menu name, type in the prefix for this fan page. And then click Create Menu. On the left side, you'll see the FB pages listed. Check off each one and click Add to Menu. They'll appear on the right. Now you can arrange them just by dragging and dropping. One important thing to note is that the FB pages may not show up on the left side. To get it to show up, click Screen Options and then check the box FB pages. Notice when I uncheck it, they disappear. When I check it, they reappear, and so on. Then click Screen Options again to close it. Now click Save Menu. Now let's go back to the Fan Page Manager. Go to the page you're working on and click Edit. And then go to the Template Setup tab. Now you can select the menu you just created from the drop-down list. Click the Facebook Settings tab. To tie this into Facebook, we need a Facebook app ID and secret key. So let's create a Facebook app. Click the Facebook Developer link, and that'll take you to the Facebook Developer section. Click Apps in the top menu bar. And now, click Create New App. Give the app a name that will readily identify itself as the iFrame app. Here we're going to use Pure Yoga iFrame app. Don't bother to click any of this. Just click Continue. And then enter the CAPTCHA and click Submit. Now we have an iFrame app. We can copy the app ID, go over to the Fan Page Manager, and paste the app ID in here. Then go back to the Developer section, copy the secret key, and paste that into the Fan Page Manager. Then click Save Fan Page. Now the All-in-One Toolkit will give you all the information you need to fill in your Facebook iFrame app settings. Just click this plus sign. Scroll down and you'll see a mock-up of what you see in Facebook. Click on one of the fields, it highlights it automatically. Then you can just copy it, go over to the Developer section, go down to App on Facebook, and paste it in. The regular URL is the same. All you need to do is remove the S. Now let's get the Page tab information. First, set a page tab name. A lot of people use Home, but you can also use a call to action for this name. To get the URLs, go back to the Fan Page Manager. Just click the field, copy it, and then paste it into Facebook. then just remove the S. Select Wide 810 Pix and click Save Changes. Now let's edit the app logo. Click Edit, and then browse for a logo on your hard drive. Then click Open, and the logo shows up. Then edit the icon. Click Browse to browse your hard drive, and pick the icon. Click Open, and it displays. Then just click Save Changes. Now we'll go back to the Fan Page Manager and close that section and open up Add iFrame App to Fan Page. Then just click the link. On this page, you can add your iFrame app to a fan page. So we'll select the fan page we just created, and then click Add iFrame App. Now let's take a look at the app icon on the timeline. As you can see, it's a resized version of the app logo and does not fit properly in the available space. This is the icon that has replaced the left navigation tab links from the old format. It's the link that takes you to the custom iFrame content. To change the iFrame app icon image, click the drop-down icon. Then, you'll see an edit selector when you mouse over the app icon. Click it, and a drop-down menu displays. Using this menu, you can do some minor management of the icon, and you can edit the settings. Click Edit Settings. From here, you can change the custom tab name. That's the text that displays under the icon. We'll leave it as it is. To change the tab image, click Change. It'll open up a new window, and then you click Change again. Click Browse to find the image that you want to use on your hard drive. Select the image, and then click Open. Normally the image will display, but if it doesn't, it's probably okay. Just go up and close the tab. Now click OK. And the new icon displays. Click on the icon to see your new iFrame content. And there's the iFrame content that we set up in WordPress using AIOVT. Here's another side note. In most of the training videos, the WordPress admin menu is visible because I'm logged into WordPress on the same browser, but it won't display in a different browser or to fan page visitors. Use the top menu that Facebook provides to go back to the timeline. Now let's do a little housekeeping. This is the About section. The whole thing is clickable, and when you click it, you go to your About page, but there's hardly anything on it. You can edit it here, or you can go back to the timeline and edit it from here. Using the Manage drop-down, just click Edit Page. This is where all your fan page settings are. Click Basic Information. The text that displays on the timeline in the About section is entered in on this one line. You can include links in the About section simply by including http:// before any URLs in the text. Facebook automatically converts them to links. To get the most use out of the limited space, which is about 160 characters, you can use link shorteners like bit.ly to make the links as short as possible. Links can go to external websites, or they can go to your iFrame page. If someone visits the About page, they want to know more about the page owner, so it's a good idea to take a little time to include some information about the company or services provided by the fan page owner. When you're done, just click Save Changes. Now click View Page and go back to the timeline. If you scroll down, you can see the new About section. This is a link that will take you to the fan page iframe. This will take you to the About section. You notice I have two links that go directly to the iframe pages. And you might have also noticed that this page is for the World Heavyweight Extreme Yoga MMA champions. Go back to the timeline. And then you can see again we have more opportunity here for people to click to the iframe so that they can get to the viral tools that will spread the word about your page. Clicking the link takes you right to the iframe page. And that's it! Congratulations, you've just set up your first fan page and your first custom iframe page. There's more videos to come showing you everything you can do with the All-in-One Viral Toolkit. Thanks for watching!